Unlock 3 glorious months of free Mint Mobile service. Let's dive straight into how you can snag this deal. First, this offer usually requires purchasing a specific phone from Mint Mobile or sometimes a qualifying plan, so double-check the promotion details. You'll find this info directly on the Mint Mobile website typically. The 3-month free promo is specific to buying a new device on their site. Don't forget to comb through the fine print. Once you have your shiny new Mint Mobile device or plan, look for an activation kit. It usually contains a SIM card and instructions. Be careful when opening this kit and make sure you handle the physical card with care. Next, download the Mint Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. This app is your portal to activation and managing your service. Give the app the permissions it requires and prepare to set up your account. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your service. You'll likely need the SIM card number. Your phone's IMEI number usually found in the phone settings or on the box. And your billing information. Be meticulous when entering these details. Make sure the promotion code or offer is correctly applied during activation. A confirmation screen should clearly display that you're getting the 3 months free. If you don't see it, stop and contact Mint Mobile support before completing the activation. Speaking of support, if you face any hiccups, don't hesitate to contact Mint Mobile's customer service for assistance. They can guide you through the process and ensure your free months are correctly applied. And that's it. Enjoy your 3 months of free Mint Mobile service. Remember to keep an eye on your data usage and billing cycle to avoid any surprises later on. Use the time to see if Mint Mobile aligns with your day-to-day lifestyle.